first unit. You have got 3 units, I have told you. First unit is Introduction to Indian Society. Introduction to Indian Society. Within Introduction to Indian Society, you will learn about various thinkers and various perspectives. When I talk about these perspectives, it is Indological perspective. ठीक है. Another is Marxist perspective. And third is structural functionalist perspective. These are 3 basic perspectives. ठीक है. Under Indological perspective, we go with a social thinker called G.S. Ghurye, Mr. Ghurye. Under Marxist perspective, we read about A.R. Desai's advocations, and then under structural functionalists, we learn about a man called and his theories, man called M.N. Srinivas. This gentleman is considered as one of the heroes of Indian sociology. Also, we learn about the background of India when sociology started emerging in India, impact of colonial rule in on Indian society. All of that is taken care in this first chapter, which is Introduction to Indian Society. Now, when I say about Mr. M.N. Srinivas, I'll give you a fun fact. He is the one. You've heard about Delhi School of Economics, DSE. It is very famous. Now, for masters, it has Department of Sociology, Delhi School of Economics. So D School has a Department of Sociology for masters, and that department was established by Mr. M.N. Srinivas. He has conducted various field studies and also his various theories like Sanskritizations, lot of his theories that we will be studying, and it will also be helpful for you in other GS papers to certain extent. So this will be the first unit. Here we basically read about various perspectives, majorly 3: Indological, Marxist perspective would be A.R. Desai, Indological perspective would be G.S. Ghurye, and structural functionalist perspective would be Mr. M.N. Srinivas, and there are few theories. We'll study that, and apart from that, we'll study about impact of colonial rule on Indian society. So, overall, this covers the first unit of paper 2.